Dear students, today we will do exercise 6 and exercise 8. This exercise is based on simple past and past continuous. The past continuous tense is often used with the simple past. It shows that the action was continuing at a time when a new shorter action happened. The simple past is used for the new action. Try to understand with the help of this example. They were enjoying the morning when the thief stole the briefcase. In this sentence, there are two actions. They were enjoying the morning, and the second action is the thief stole the briefcase. One action was going on, that is, they were enjoying the morning. Then the shorter new action happened, that is, the thief stole the briefcase. So for the longer action which was going on, we use past continuous, and the shorter action which happened in the middle, we use simple past. On the basis of this concept, let us do exercise 6. Put the verbs in bracket into the simple past or past continuous tense to complete the following sentences. Number 1. It rained when we come out. The answer will be, it was raining when we came out. It was raining. The action was going on. So past continuous tense is used. Then the second shorter action happened. We have used simple past. That is, we came out. Number 2. She cut her finger while she peeled potatoes. She cut her finger while she was peeling potatoes. The process of peeling potatoes was going on. Then the shorter action happened, that she cut her finger. In the same way, I was having a shower when the phone rang. Number 4. He bit his finger when he was having lunch. And number 5. We were going down in the lift when suddenly it stopped. Let us do exercise 8. It is based on simple future or going to form and future continuous. The first question is, I think Australia dashed the match. The answer will be, I think Australia will win the match. Because when we talk about prediction, we use simple future with will. Number 2. What have you decided to do? I am going to join the club. When we have already decided to do something, we use going to form. Number 3. At this time tomorrow, Mr. Kapoor will be flying to Malaysia. We use future continuous to talk about something that will be going on at a particular time in the future. Next, Mr. Raman is very busy at the moment. That's all right. I will wait. When we decide to do something at the time of speaking, then we use will wait. When we have already decided, then we use going to form, and when we decide something at the time of speaking, we use will form in simple future. And the last, why do you want to sell your motorbike? I am going to buy a car. Because we have already decided to do. I hope you have understood very well. If any queries, please ask me.